Hello to all. I am Samiksha Sunil Godolkar, Assistant Professor in S&D College of Engineering, Yeola. I was teach the subject of Basic Electronics. The logic gates we see in last video lecture. Now we see the next logic gates. The first is exclusive OR gate. The exclusive OR gate, commonly written as XOR gate, is a two input, one output gate. As can be seen from the truth table, the output of an XOR gate is a logic 1 when the inputs are unlike, and a logic 0 when the inputs are like. The logic gate exclusive OR gate is as shown in figure. The exclusive OR gate symbol having a two input A and B, output is Y is equal to A XOR B. So the truth table A, B output is Y, input A and B 0 0, output Y is 0, input 0 1, output Y is 1, input 1 0, output Y is 1, input 1 1, output is exclusive OR gate or XOR gate, output is 0. This is the truth table of exclusive OR gate. After that exclusive OR gate, we see the next logic gate is exclusive NOR gate. The exclusive NOR, commonly written as XNOR, means not of XOR. That is the logic gate that we get by complementing the output of an XOR gate. The exclusive NOR, commonly written as XNOR, means not of XOR. That is the logic gate that we get by complementing the output of an XOR gate. The truth table of an XNOR gate is obtained from the truth table of an XOR gate by complementing the output entries. Logically, Y is equal to A XOR B. This is the output of XOR gate. And in XNOR gate, A XOR B whole bar. That is the output of XNOR gate, A into B plus A bar into B bar. This is the exclusive NOR gate output. The exclusive NOR gate, logic gate having two input A and B. Output of NOR gate is A XOR B whole bar. The input is A and B, output is Y. So the 0 0 output is 1, 0 1 output is 0, 1 0 output is 0, 1 1 output is 1. Logic gate exclusive NOR gate. This is the truth table of exclusive NOR gate logic gate. Universal gates. Logic gates, universal gates having OR and NOT gates are the three basic logic gates, as they together can be used to construct the logic circuit for any given Boolean expression. NOR and NAND gates have the property that they individually can be used to hardware implement logic unit corresponding to any given Boolean expression. Logic gates, universal gate, combination of NAND gates or a combination of NOR gates can be used to perform functions of any of the basic logic gates. Logic gates, universal gates, as shown in a slide. These are the logic universal gates. When first is input A, output Y is equal to A bar in diagram here. After that B, A into B, the output of NAND gate is given to the another input of NAND gate. So Y is equal to A into B. In figure B. In figure C, the input A and input B, both are the input of NAND gates. The output of NAND gate A is A bar. The input of B NAND gate output is B bar, and the both A bar and B bar are the input of NAND gate. The Y is equal to output is A plus B. This is the logic gates, universal gates. After that we see next is when next slide we see first figure is NOR gate having A input, output Y is equal to A bar. In NOR gate, A, B both input is given to the output of NOR gate is given to the another input of second NOR gate. So the output of NOR gate Y is equal to A plus B in figure B. In figure C, the NOR gate having A input, output is A bar. The another NOR gate input is B, output is B bar, and the A bar and B bar both are the two inputs of NOR gate. Output Y is equal to A into B, which is in Y is equal to A into B. It is the output of both two NOR gate having input of another NOR gate. So the output which is obtained is Y is equal to A into B. Next topic is De Morgan's theorem. In De Morgan's theorem, what is De Morgan's theorem? De Morgan's theorem has suggested two theorems which are extremely useful in Boolean algebra. The theorem 1 is A into B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. A into B whole bar means output of NAND gate, and A bar plus B bar is equal to bubble OR. The left hand side LHS of this theorem represent a NAND gate with inputs A and B, whereas the right hand side RHS of the theorem represents an OR gate with inverted inputs. In De Morgan's theorem, table showing verification of the De Morgan's first theorem. AB output is AB bar, 0 0 output is 1, 0 1 output is 1, 1 0 output is 1, 1 1 AB bar output is 0. When input A is 0, A bar is equal to 1. Input is 0, A bar is equal to 1. Input is 1, A bar is equal to 0. Input is 1. Another input of 1, A bar is equal to 0. So A bar and B bar is 1 1, 1 0, 0 1, 0 0. So A bar plus B bar is 1 1 1 0. This is the De Morgan's first theorem truth table. After that, De Morgan's second theorem is A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. A plus B whole bar means output of NOR gate, and A bar into B bar is the output of bubble and NAND gate. The LHS of this theorem represents a NOR gate with inputs A and B, whereas the RHS represent an AND gate with inverted inputs. The De Morgan's second theorem, the table shows the De Morgan's second theorem is A, B, 2 input 0, 0, A plus B whole bar 1, A, B, 2 input 0, 1, A plus B whole bar 0, A, B, 2 input 1, 0, A plus B whole bar 0, and A, B, 2 inputs 1, 1, A plus B whole bar is 0. Whereas A bar is 1, B bar is equal to 1, 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. So A bar into B bar output is 1 0 0 0. This is the truth table of De Morgan's second theorem. After that, we see firstly we see the two main De Morgan's theorem. After that, we see the binary codes. In the coding, when number, letters or words are represented by a specific group of symbol, it is said that the number, letter or word is being encoded. The group of symbol is called as a code. The digital data is represented, stored and transmitted as a group of binary bits. This group is also called as a binary code. The advantages of this binary code are: binary codes are suitable for the computer applications. Binary codes are suitable for the digital communications. Binary codes make the analysis and designing of digital circuits. If we use the binary codes, since only 0 and 1 are being used, implementation becomes easy. These are the advantages of binary code. After that, we see the classification of binary code. The codes are broadly categorized into following 4 categories: First is weighted code and non-weighted code. Second is binary coded decimal code. Third is alphanumeric codes. And fourth is error detection codes and error correcting codes. In this slide, we recognize or we revise these slides. Firstly, what we see, the different logic gates. In last video lecture we see the basic logic gates. After that, today we see the next logic gate, that is exclusive OR gate. We see the truth table diagram of exclusive OR gate. After that we see the exclusive NOR gate, the truth table and diagram of exclusive NOR gate, how we obtain the output of exclusive NOR gate. After that we see the main theorem, that is the De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem having two main theorem. So both the two theorem 1 and theorem 2, we obtain the output in De Morgan's theorem, which is the main important output of De Morgan's theorem used in logic gates. After that we see the binary codes, the definition of binary code and the classification of binary codes. This classification of binary code, different classifier of binary code: weighted, non-weighted, binary coded, alphanumeric codes such as error detecting codes and error correcting codes. These four main important in binary coding classification. These four classification of binary codes we see in next video lecture. So now we only complete the topic of logic gates and also De Morgan's theorem. Okay, thank you.